Hey everybody, Mascorp here with part 6 of the Found Money series. Today, we're talking about the app that just blew my mind. Coinbase. It's the first crypto app I got into for buy, sell, and trade of cryptocurrency, aka Bitcoin, Ethereum, what have you. So far, I love the app. It's easy. It's simple. I've been given so many recommendations on other crypto trading apps, and I've tried them, and I like them, like Gemini and Crypto.com. Great apps, but this was my first, and this is the one that kind of started it for me. I'll get into the other apps later, but today I want to talk about Coinbase. It says right there in the picture, the best place to get started with crypto. And I agree with that. If you're just starting out in crypto, great app to get started in. You're able to buy, sell, and trade so easy, and the transaction fees will not kill you. Because you'll learn when you start getting into crypto that transaction fees are everywhere. There's like no getting away from them. So, with that being said, let's jump into Coinbase. So as you can see here, the portfolio, it's had a nice little climb over the last couple of days. A lot of that has to do with, right here is when I put a little coin into play from my apps that make me some money. But then you had right here, I was able to get a hold of some Bitcoin when it dropped to about 51,000. Then you go all the way over here, it rose to about 58,000. So that's what you gotta love about cryptocurrency, is it's always jumping around. That volatile nature can either make or lose you a lot of money real fast. But it's fun. Again, Coinbase is like so many others where it has an affiliate link. But hey, you get $10 in free crypto. I don't know anybody who doesn't like free money. So that's always the plus. So many rewards on this site too. Oh my God, this is what sold it for me when I was in my search for passive income and I ran across Coinbase. This is what really jumped it for me. So you got your recurring buy rewards. You get $5 in Bitcoin whenever you set up a $50 or more recurring buy. That's one thing. Invite friends. You have staked coins. This is bread and butter of what I love about this app. So you can buy these you could buy these coins on the market. And what that'll basically do is, as long as you're holding these coins, you'll get rewarded in more of those coins. Kind of like a self-investing coin. They call it staking. Currently, I can go back to my portfolio. I'm using the algo coins. Now, I just converted some Bitcoin to algo just because it was a little high and I wanted to move some of that money around, so I put it in algo. Cool thing about algo is it pays you. I refer to them as dividends, but I'm sure somebody out there in the crypto world will probably punch me in the mouth for using the wrong terminology, but I'm going to go ahead with it and continue with calling them dividends. Because basically I'm getting paid dividends every single day. Now, it doesn't look like much, but 4 cents here, 5 cents there, 5 cents there, 4 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents, every single day. You can check over here with the dates. I love this coin. It just keeps going. And the actual value of this coin, when I first bought it, was about $1.01, and now it's sitting at $1.31, so It's just money to be made. It's fairly stable. It doesn't jump around a whole lot. It usually stays anywhere between, say, $1.10 and $1.20. I'm actually kind of surprised it's at $1.31 right now. But it's a really good coin to get into. The whole system of Coinbase is good to get into if you really want to get into cryptocurrency. I did this earn rewards deal, and on this page, when I first got here, I was able to go through and take a bunch of quizzes on this page, and they gave me about $50 in free cryptocurrency right after I signed up for this. Right after I signed up for Coinbase, I just went through here and there was about $50 in free cryptocurrency that they gave me, in which I traded it all for Bitcoin. So, again, I like free money. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you like free money. So, if you want to get into crypto, which is what I've been really strongly recommending people do, Coinbase is a good place to get your feet wet. Now, some downsides to it, there are transaction fees. They're not horrendous. So don't worry, you're not going to go broke sending money or buying something. They're about 99 cents for the most part. They don't hit you very hard. If you're doing in-app conversions of your money, there's no transaction fee. Like, I just transferred some of my Bitcoin to Algo just to change it up a little bit, just because I noticed Bitcoin was starting to fall a little bit, so I just wanted to move a little bit to Algo while it was still up. I know there's going to be some crypto analyst out there who's going to sit there and look at that and just be like, no, don't do that. Yeah, I know. Don't ever get rid of your Bitcoin, but I'm still playing with all this stuff. I'm still learning myself. And I just love staking coin, honestly. Now, is this the best app for staking coin? That answer is no. I have found so many more apps that can just get you paid in cryptocurrency. It's just unreal how much they'll pay you in APY. On crypto.com, you can get paid 14% staking USD coin for 3 months. There's really not a bank in the world that will pay you that kind of interest rate today. So right now, looking at crypto, seeing the amount of money that can be made, seeing the high interest rates, I mean, that's enough to basically move people away from their banks from the start. I'm not moving from my bank, but I am moving stuff into crypto. There's just so much opportunity, and it's a gold mine right now for anybody who wants to get in. It's not too late to get into crypto. Don't believe people's bull about it's too late, the boom's already done. No, man. There is so much more that you could be doing in crypto that they're not even freaking telling you about. A lot of people, they're scared of the new currency, so they don't even attempt it. They don't understand it. Do your due diligence. Look all this stuff up. Guarantee you will be shocked at the results that you can get using Bitcoin, crypto, Coinbase, any of those apps. If you get anything from this video, it's start using cryptocurrency. The stuff is not going away. But hey, that's Coinbase. So we'll finish the video off right there. And we will catch y'all on the next one. Mascorp out. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. Do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings, and If you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.